Are you in the Albion Park Rail area and facing issues with your garage door remote control? Common problems like dead batteries, interference, or a need for reprogramming can all prevent your garage door from responding correctly. Don't let remote control issues keep you from accessing your garage easily and securely. If your garage door remote isn't working as it should, call us today at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is here to troubleshoot, repair, or reprogram your remote, ensuring your garage door operates smoothly. Reach out now for expert service and regain control over your garage door.